बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे कि किस तरह से अपने इंस्टाग्राम को आप ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं। इससे पहले हमने देख लिया कि इंस्टाग्राम इज अ पावरफुल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर क्रिएटिंग ग्रेट विजुअल्स फॉर योर बिजनेस एंड हैज बिकम द फेवरेट सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग ऐप फॉर ओवर 1 बिलियन मंथली एक्टिव यूजर्स। और इंस्टाग्राम generates more engagement than any other social media platform. And Instagram make it easy to share visual content to your Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr via this link. Let's get started with the Instagram. First of all, install your Instagram on your Android, Windows, or iOS smartphone. और जब आप ये इंस्टॉल कर रहे होंगे तो एक मैं आपको हैक प्रूफ टिप बता रहा हूँ कि हमेशा 2 ईमेल एड्रेसेस क्रिएट करें सिमिलर टू योर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स. The first is used to register your social media account, and you don't need to tell anyone about that. And the second, you are going to listen in your list in your social media account bio, about us, for people to reach to you, ad for advertising, partnership, or general questioning. And never use the email you use to register your social media account as your contact email, as it increases your vulnerability to hackers seeking access to your public Instagram account. Now go public. In order to get discovered on Instagram, you will want to set your profile to public. आप अपने प्रोफाइल पेज पे जाएंगे, राइट कॉर्नर पे देखेंगे, सेटिंग को सिलेक्ट करेंगे और वहां पे सेटिंग से अकाउंट प्राइवेसी एंड देन अकाउंट प्राइवेसी से आप पब्लिक हो जाएंगे जी. अब इंस्टाग्राम में आप नेविगेट करें, ये उसका होम है, ये उसका सर्च बार है, ये आपकी प्रोफाइल है, ये आपका नेविगेशन, ये आपका लाइक डिसलाइक बार है. अब हाउ टू ऐड इंस्टाग्राम कंटेंट टू योर प्रोफाइल. अपने इंस्टाग्राम कंटेंट ऐड करने के लिए आपने सबसे पहले इस प्लस साइन को क्लिक करना है. पोस्ट, स्टोरी, रील, लाइव, जो भी आप करना है. ऐड अ फोटो और वीडियो, ऐड लाइब्रेरी और कंटेंट, फिर ओपन कैमरा और अपलोड मल्टीपल थिंग्स. एंड Instagram content on the post page, you can upload content you have already created and saved to your phone, including library, recent photos and videos, camera icons to take photo or video live, add multiple pieces of content in carousel post. And मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि carousel post की जो engagement है वो सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. And create boomerangs on and layouts image video to elevate your content. उसके लिए बूमरंग क्रिएट करने के लिए आपको एक इंस्टाग्राम की एप्लीकेशन है जिसको हम बूमरंग कहते हैं, जो आपको इंस्टॉल करनी पड़ेगी. अच्छा जी, इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल का यूजर नेम अब हम चेक करना चाहते हैं. I advise getting the best username possible, typical your brand name, for continuity across all social media platforms. And this includes using keywords and search terms relevant to your brand. Avoid numbers and symbols. You want your username easy to remember. For example, OTD or off the day. Keywords at marketing course. Brand at Being Bro or brand plus available modifier. Being Bro app plus beingbro.com or Being Bro official. So इस तरह से आप username Instagram का set कर सकते हैं. And to change your Instagram handle username, you have to click the edit profile button on your profile page and type in your username, then tap done. Save for the Android or check mark for the window phone in the top right corner. Now, optimizing your Instagram profile is crucial for your brand success. Make your Instagram name one of the following: brand name plus relevant keyword, yeah, relevant keyword, best Facebook ad code for example, then brand URL. And click the search icon in the bottom navigate bar of your Instagram app. वहाँ पे आप चले गए. Type in various keywords to see other top set Instagram accounts and hashtag. Search for keywords relevant to your brand and see what keyword make us popular hashtag which keywords are used in the name of other top search results, and see what keywords are currently ranking in Instagram search results. What keywords are other top followed accounts using in the name and bios. So use relevant keyword you want to include into your Instagram name. Instagram name testing, we ended up choosing the name Bingro.com. I know we have a big enough brand name that we have search volume for our brand with the name of keyword as Bingro. So if you are just starting out and seeking organic traffic until you have your brand name awareness built up, I suggest testing Instagram name for a week at a time to see if your traffic and followers increases organically with the varying names you test. So test them. Now move toward the Instagram Insight. Navigate to your profile page. Click the menu in the top right corner. Just say arrow दिया हुआ है. View your Instagram insights and analytics. Up, you will need a professional account on Instagram to view your insight first. Create ad and grow your business. To convert your Instagram account to a professional business account, click switch to professional business account or a professional account and fill out your Instagram website even if you don't have a website. To start, I will buy a bit.ly link to redirect customer to an affiliate link for an Amazon product or even a direct link to a coupon code for your product, service or a business or a third party. And bit.ly.com is a URL shortener service and link management platform as I have already mentioned in other videos. So your unique bit.ly URL will track how many clicks you are actually getting via your Instagram profile, and since we have website, we use the custom URL to track all the traffic that link via Google Analytics. So you can also use a service like linktr.w. So ये इस तरह से आप Instagram की वेबसाइट भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. And if you don't have a website, use a URL for your Instagram business profile that is unique and not just your home URL. Bingro.com, for example. Try to provide value to capture that leads. Free giveaways, gift card giveaways, entry, product pages, free courses, and these things. So we use Bingro.com/insta to direct our Instagram user to lead capture page relevant to our followers and provide something of value in exchange of their email addresses. And Bingro.com/convertkit to collect email. So you want to always be growing your audience through Facebook pixels, email list for future marketing. And now Instagram bio. Your bio can only be 150 characters, so make every word count. Let the user know who you are and why they should care about you. Include your social proof there and value proposition, why people should follow you. And include 2 to 3 highly searched phrases and keywords, and then one clickable hashtag to grow your brand awareness. Online courses, Facebook ads, Bingro, like things. So use emoji to separate each sentence as a bullet point. Eyes are naturally drawn to them. And include a value proposition and CTA in your bio that will make potential customer click your Instagram website link. Alright, Instagram business information. So completely fill out your Instagram business information, including FB page, business category, contact option. If your business has a phone number, you can also add this CTA button along with the email button on your profile. So Instagram business information completely full it. And now your Instagram profile image is another item. You can change weekly to test what works best for attracting new followers. My rule of thumb is as follow: upload a 320 to 320 pixel photo to maintain a high quality image for both mobile and web. And I like to build brand logos awareness for my clients, so I simply use the logo I use on all the SMM account for the profile photo. And if you don't have a set logo yet, test a bright color for the background and include a short word easy to read on phone brand or a hashtag in the center of the image. You can also test a high quality product image or a personal headshot or image of you doing your services like weightlifting or something like this. So these are the things how to what is the role of Instagram profile photo. And Instagram highlights, use them. Instagram stories are a crucial part of your Instagram marketing strategy. And we will discuss Instagram stories in depth in later lectures if time allows, but I don't come into here. And While Instagram stories only last in your Instagram story for 24 hours, Instagram story highlights enable you to feature the Instagram stories you want to keep your profile page, giving the Instagram stories of your choices a longer lasting presence on your profile. And IG story, Instagram stories with first, if you want to post it in Instagram story, you have to tap the plus button to add content to your Instagram account. Then select story, post your Instagram story. Story can be up to 15 seconds longer and last for 24 hours, as you all of know. And before they expire, so you can save stories to your Instagram profile highlight sections. And Instagram archive. When you create your first story, you will be notified about how your Instagram stories are saved in your archive. Yeah. So access your archives via profile page, then menu, and then archive. And if in your archive, select an Instagram story you want to add to your Instagram highlights. Now, to view the analytics for your Instagram stories, just click the seen by in the bottom left corner. Then you will get a lot of analytics about that. And to add this Instagram story to your profile Instagram highlights, click the highlight option and name your Instagram highlight. Click the add button, and now you can add to and edit your current Instagram highlights or create new one. So you can use these highlights in many ways, including a permanent place for commercial or a video you want user to be able to easily find. So categorize videos such as product, tutorials and services events, BTS videos and news. This is basically an explore page of for user with video content over 60 seconds long. आपने पहले भी इसके साथ एक्सपोजर होगा आपका. So IGTV is a perfect for distribution of long videos from video content you already produced on another video platform like YouTube, Vimeo and any other one. So simply create an Instagram post, then select your long form video in your content library to create an IGTV post. 60 seconds to 10 minutes you can create post for IGTV. Now you can view an Instagram account IGTV video via the IGTV tab on the Instagram account profile page. Here are some IGTV ideas. So how-tos, tutorials, courses, facts, tips, favorite tools, recipes and unboxing, and interviews, YouTube shows, series, customer testimonials, BTS, meet the team, office tour, inspirational stories, product, TVC commercials. So these are all for ideas of the IGTV. So you can adopt any one of them to make the live IGTV idea. Now ask some Instagram to check out our Chubbies, Airbnb, Glossier, Patagonia. So ये सारे बेहतरीन Instagram अकाउंट्स हैं जिसमें आप IGTV की यूजेज को देख सकते हैं. अब Instagram हैक्स, टिप्स एंड फीचर्स के लिए go to bluehost.com marketing to Instagram features tricks. So ये Instagram के हैक्स आपको इस पोस्ट से मिल जाएंगे. बहुत सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन, बहुत सारा नॉलेज आपको यहाँ से मिलेगा. So try to get as maximum knowledge about any social media platform as you can. So ताकि आपका horizon broaden हो और आप डिजिटल में अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकें. So you can go to my profile to follow me. So that's the Abdul Kadir. So go there on all social media platform. My username is the Abdul Kadir. So go there and follow me. Thank you so much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.